How to make her orgasm with slower sex Part 2. Slow sex during your sexual play. Foreplay is extraordinary, and taking it slowly unquestionably makes way for some tasty, sustaining, heart-detonating sexual play. In the event that I be able to would destroy the word foreplay from presence, since it doesn't serve anybody to consider sex either all the stuff that isn't entrance and infiltration. In truth, all sex will be sex, and all foreplay is still sex. There's no standard that says you can't utilize your hands and mouth as independent acts during between rounds of penetrative sex. Truth be told, it's empowered. The entirety of your parts, with the entirety of their parts, constantly. It's substantially more fun that way. Sex isn't intended to be sterile, or flawless, or sorted out, or direct. Sex will be sex. It's a free-for-all. It's everywhere. Sex is tied in with feeling and associating and playing and appreciating. That is the thing that makes it so much fun. It's the one spot where you get the opportunity to lose the shackles or put on the shackles, you unusual thing you of day-by-day life and be free. Thus, to convey the slowness into your sexual investigation, take as much time as necessary when initially infiltrating being entered. Relish the experience. And enable yourself to be entered while feeling every last trace of your accomplice's substance. Look. Or on the other hand wear dazzle folds. Kiss a great deal. Or then again nibble. Evaluate some grimy talk. Depict what you're doing to them, what they're doing to you, and what you need to occur straight away. You have eyes, mouths, hands, and ears, which is as it should be. Contact, feel, impart, taste, and play. You have throughout the night. Bring them near climax, and afterward stop just before they peak. You could either do this once a couple of times so as to strengthen their inevitable climax, or you could do this for quite a long time throughout the night. It's really a thing called climax for swearing. A few people in the BDSM people group love it. Make them peak with your hands, with your mouth, and with your privates. Perhaps your accomplice cherishes developing to one huge climax and considering it a night which can at present be developed slowed down with kissing, snuggling. An association works out, or possibly they need to come so often that you both lose check. It's everything reasonable game. Possibly you had candles consuming, state of mind lighting, and music on during foreplay. However, see what happens when you execute the music and appreciate slow sex in relative quietness. Have the main soundtrack for your session be your breathing and voices. It tends to be significantly simpler to check out your accomplice's condition of sexual excitement when there are no sound-related interruptions in the room.